Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 13. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. At the beginning, let's go to Wallet. Twist your tab because Google Wallet works only in this position, and tap View Wallet. From the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards to your account, check quick tips, and add passes and manage your passes. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, tap to pay setup, which is unavailable because this tab doesn't have NFC. You can check full list of participating banks, and manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data, passes data, and check info about private passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, updates from Wallet and Google Pay, and success animations. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it for Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.